Hi guys, it's me again, Maria, and in this video tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you guys how you can create a cookbook style in seconds using my recipe book generator. This app turns any food ideas, full recipe with ingredients, step-by-step instructions, and serving suggestions, and it also creates an image prompt for your recipe. The best part is you can use this prompt for free by joining to my SKOOL community. It is still in beta and I'd love to hear from you guys, and I want you to try this and let me know how it works for you. But before we go to my computer guys, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for all your support. Please like and share this video and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah, so let's do this. We're going to make one-page recipe with the help of ChatGPT, and then we're going to jump to Canva so that I'm going to show you guys how you can design your own recipe cookbook inside of Canva. Alright, so without any further ado, let's go to my computer. Alright guys, so now we are here on my recipe book cook creator. Okay, so here we're going to create a recipe, whatever recipe that you wanted to create, and I'm going to show you guys how you can create the images for the recipe that you just created, and then we're going to create a cookbook using Canva. Okay, so first, you don't know what recipe that you want to make, so we need to go to ask ChatGPT for a help. You can find this recipe book generator guys inside of my SKOOL, so I will put the link in the description, so please come and join to the communities. Feel free to use this recipe book generator to test your recipes. Alright, so now first we're going to ChatGPT. Alright, so now we are here in ChatGPT, and then we're going to ask help to give us okay, let's say I need your help to give me recipe ideas to create a cookbook. Alright, so just ask ChatGPT to give you some ideas of recipes so that you can create a cookbook. So we're gonna click enter and let's see. Alright, so now there you go. So here are the ready use idea list that you can turn into full cookbook. So you can do your own guys. I'm just doing this, showing you guys this for an example. So this is like a 30 minutes comfort meals, air fryer magic. So you have to choose which one do you want. Oh my god, you see these guys, they give you a lot of ideas. All right, so what we're gonna do here guys is we're going to choose one. Okay, all right, so let's go to one pot rice meals. Okay, so let's say I'm gonna choose the chicken fried rice, this one. Okay, so I'm just gonna click this, copy this one guys. Okay, copy this one, and then we're going back to my recipe generator, and here I'm going to paste the title, okay, the recipe of the book. So the recipe title is chicken fried rice. So this is optional guys, you can skip this. And then recipe per pages, I'm just gonna get one recipe for the pages. And then here I already set it for 8.5 by 11 because this is the size that we always use to upload a book when we created in KDP, and the recipe categories. So you can check for lunch, for dinner, or for breakfast. So I just check this for this three, but you can also, of course, we can also eat chicken fried rice in breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then if you want to add more of this, of course, they're going to give you more recipes, but we're just focused on one recipe, okay, one dish. And then here, guys, you want it to no bake, vegan, gluten-free. So you just get this one, you just choose which one that you want. Okay, So these are optionals, guys. So you can, it's all up to you which one do you want to check, put the check inside the box. And the cooking preference, of course, beginner friendly, may under 30 minutes, you can check this, and budget friendly, you can check this. All right, so now what we're gonna do, guys, if you already choose the recipe, the book title, and all of this, you fill all of this, then we're going to click generate my recipe book. Let's wait for seconds and let's see how it looks like. All right, there you go. So now it's generating the recipe for chicken fried rice and beyond. Okay, so here is the recipe, and there you go. All right, I'm not gonna read all of this recipe because we're going to copy this one later. What I want from here, guys, is we get the recipe, but we don't know, what image that we're going to use into this recipe. So I added here the image generation prompt for this type of recipe. All right, so what we're going to do here, guys, is, oh, there is a page too. Hold on. Oh, okay, sorry guys, I forgot to tell you guys here, you have to set the number of pages. That's why I got page 1, page 2, page 3. So I got 3 pages for this recipe, but that's okay. Okay, what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna get one of this, but you can choose as many as recipe until 25 maximum pages. So I got 5, so I'm just gonna do this one first. Okay, so here you go, guys. You will see here, just scroll down and you will see the image generation prompt for this fried rice chicken recipe. All right, so what you're gonna do is we're going to copy this one so you can get the image of this recipe. Copy the prompt, and then we're going to ChatGPT. Going back to ChatGPT, and as you see, guys, here on the side you will see images. This is a new I think update on, before they don't have this. So I'm gonna click images. Okay, and then there you go. So what we're gonna do here, guys, is we're going to paste the image prompt that you got from the recipe. You just paste it here, and then you have nothing, you don't need to do anything. Okay, just click enter, and then you will see the image of the recipe that you just created. All right, there you go, guys. So here is the image for your chicken fried rice with vibrant veggies. You see, guys? So now you already have your image. Okay, so what you're gonna do next is just to click download and then download it into your computer. Okay, so once we got the image, guys, we have the recipe. Now it's time to go to Canva. Okay, so now what we're going to do here, guys, is we're going to click create and let's go to custom size. We need to customize the size of our cookbooks since we got the image as a 3x4. So we're gonna do the same here in Canva, and I'm gonna do 8.5 by 11, which is 3x4 ratio bird. Okay, so we're going to search the template since we're looking for cookbooks. So we're going to search the templates that we're going to use for our cookbook. So let's just say cookbook recipes, and there you go. So here are there are a lot of templates here, guys, that you can choose to use for your cookbook recipe. You can edit it, you can change it, you can put your own images, right? You can put your own images if you want to. This is very, very simple and friendly user. All right, so let's say we're going to choose the cover first of our book. Okay, so let's say I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, I like this cover, my recipe book, so just like that. Okay. All right, and then we're going back and we're going to get some design interior into our cookbooks. All right, so let's say I want this one. I want to use this one, guys. So you can always, change this one. So for example, this is not a pizza, so I can just change this chicken fried rice. All right, this is the chicken fried rice. And then if you want, guys, you can always group this one so that it won't move every time you create something here. Just group it so you can move it everywhere you want. Okay, so this is the chicken fried rice. I'm gonna put it here, and then we're going to change this one into our images. So what we're gonna do is go to your uploads, go to your upload file, and find the images that ChatGPT gave to us. All right, and now here, as you see guys, it's uploading. And then what we're gonna do is I'm going to drag this one over here to change that image, just like that. Now we change the image, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna change this preparation step. Okay, so to do that, guys, we're going back to our book generator, and then we're going to copy this one. Okay, copy and go back here, and then we're just going to paste here. Okay, you can always resize this. If it is too big, then you can just do like this and put in a center, just like that. All right, so now we're gonna change this one, guys, to ingredients. Okay, just double click and type ingredients, just like that. Right, so next we're going to here, go back again, and let's see what we can paste. Instructions. Okay, let's copy the instructions. Okay, just copy this one, copy, and go back to Canva. And here, guys, you can put anywhere you want. You can put here, you can put here. So maybe I don't think if I need this note, but later on we're gonna do this. Okay, so let's just put the instructions here. Just copy and paste the instruction. There you go. So we're going to make this a little bit smaller because it is bigger, and then I'm just gonna change this to instructions. You can always resize this, guys, if it is too many. Okay, just like that. So here is the instructions. I think for serving suggestions, then I can just copy this one, guys, serving suggestions, and then go back. And I might put maybe here. Okay, I just paste here, and then I'm just gonna change this for serving suggestions. You can all, that's why I wanted Canva, guys, because you can do what you want. You know, you can design yours. Then if you want to add here, guys, the preparation time, so you can go back and read. Preparation time is says 10 minutes, or just say 10 minutes. Change this one, and then go back again. Total time, so there is there a total time? Cook time 15 minutes, total time 25 minutes. Okay, so total time is 25 minutes. Serving. Okay, let's go. If we can find a serving, you see, guys, you make this for 4 servings. So just look at your cookbook, guys. So how did you set your serving? So I think this is set for 4 servings. So I'm just going back here and make this for 4. Okay, 4 servings. All right, that's it. So now once you finish with that, you already have, you can change this one, guys. No, it's not going to be like the same. You can change the serving suggestions or whatever you want for this, guys, and just make this a little bit smaller. And now you have your own ingredients, instructions, preparation time, serving, and here, guys, then you can, you know, if you have a website or any social media platform that you want to put it here, so you can just put your URL here. So just gonna put by Maria, and then that's it, guys. So if you want to add more recipes, then click add another page, and then you can do the same process. Go to my recipe book generator, get the title of your recipe, set this all up. So get the image prompt that generator created for you, take it to ChatGPT and click images so that you can get the images that you want for your book recipe. So that's how you can use the Recipe Book Generator app, guys. So if you have any question, just let me know down in the comments. And don't forget to go to my school, guys. Visit my school, go there, sign up for free, and you can learn more. And I am announcing my new prompt vending machine. I already released it, and I already create a lot of snacks there that you can choose and use for your business. And just let me know if you need any help or questions once you get the snack. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. I am Maria, and I'm on creating these vending machine prompts to help you guys, especially for those who are new to AI, and you know, it's hard to communicate with AI. Really, I know that I've been there. That's why I created this system to make easy for you guys to get what you need and what you want for your projects. All right, so thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.